Okay, hello everybody.
Ciao Marcus.
Ciao Luca. Wow, nice to meet you again.
Nice to see you too.
Super, yeah.
How are you?
Excellent, excellent. I'm super happy. End of summer is my favorite season. And so we have a new baby here, the Luce.
Our new baby bird
Yeah.
is the model Luce. We are presenting it the first time with you, with Espresso TV, with our friend Marcus.
Cool.
So this is the prototype of our new model with the vibration pump.
Yeah.
You have no PID, so the machine is with a thermosymphonic system.
Yeah.
It has a stainless steel frame, 304. Doesn't get rusted, it doesn't get scratched when you use it.
Wow, super nice, yeah.
And also it is very, very strong. As you can see underneath the drip tray, you have the discharging basin by which you collect all the water. You can open and connect with the elbow to the direct discharging of your kitchen, in order to avoid to continuously empty the drip tray. If you do not have the possibility to plug it to the discharge, you can just leave this nut and manually discharge the machine. Because this machine have a double connection option, so you can connect directly to the main water supply, or you can just use the internal water tank.
And this is very rare to have this system with a vibration pump. Many other systems always use the rotary pump.
Yes.
So vibration pump means it is more the entry-level model, or how you would define it?
Well, let's say it's the more entry-level model, less feature, no PID, but always a very good thermostability, and it's always a very good espresso coffee machine in terms of coffee extraction. The peculiarity of this machine is a valve that is placed over in the upper part of the machine that
one here?
Yes, you can use to increase and decrease the brewing pressure of the machine. So you can set up the pressure that you prefer. There are a lot of buzz on the internet. People say 9 bar is better, 10 bar is better.
Yeah, okay, I see.
With this, the customer can regulate with a blind filter, with the use of the blind filter, can regulate the pressure of extraction as he likes.
This one is the blind filter, okay?
This one is the blind filter that's supposed to be used to clean the group of the coffee machine, but it's also used to set the overpressure valve. So we just place the blind filter in the group. We start the brewing. In this way, you will see the discharging water from this pipe, and by turning the Allen key
minus or plus?
Minus or plus, you can regulate and set the brewing pressure of the machine. This is very helpful if you have a special blend of coffee and you want to brew with low pressure or with a little bit higher pressure. We always suggest with the machine that use vibration pump to use a little bit more of pressure, because vibration pump do not have the same flow rate of a rotary pump. But as many customers want to set at 9 bar, with this machine you can choose your.
Exactly, it's an individual taste. I would recommend a little bit higher than 9 bar for vibration pump, because flow rate is lower than rotary pump, and but it's...
But anyhow, in this way, the customer can brew as he likes.
The pressure of the boiler is always fixed.
The pressure of the boiler is 1.2. The machine has a pressure starter, and so the pressure in the boiler is stable. As we said before, the machine has a thermosymphonic system, so the pressure of the boiler is let's say the factor that influences the temperature of the extraction of the coffee.
What I also like is the water tank. Now it's really a cool system. and it recognizes the low water level. Here inside there is a reed sensor.
Exactly. This reed sensor, when you use the water tank, you leave it like this. When you want to use the direct water connection, we have a cover. You put a little cover on the reed sensor, and you can start to use the machine with the direct water connection system. Underneath the machine, you have this tap, tank, or direct water net, and you choose which one is your favorite setting. There is a rotation fitting here by which you can plug the inlet pipe of water. Okay. You can choose which position you prefer. You plug the pipe that we supply with the machine, and you can use direct water or water tank.
The machine you prefer with, of course, the Bezzera grinder, the BB005.
We have our BB05, that is the grinder we suggest for our semi-professional, let's say, range. It's a simple grinder, timer dosed, that have a conical bore or 55 millimeter. This is the set we propose, and let's say this will be our new economic model in the 61 range. We will have available stainless steel model, white model, matte green or matte black color.
Nice.
We will have 4 different color.
Nice, yeah. So, and this is just the standard thermosiphonic system with the E61 brew unit.
Exactly. We have a double gauge, so we have the gauge of the boiler and the gauge of the pressure of the extraction of the coffee. So by this you see which is the pressure that we have into the, let's say, coffee circuit.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's let's say our most simple, our base model in the semi-professional E61 range. It's the simplest, but it doesn't mean it is less performant than the other, because the machine can do very good espresso.
The grinding degree at the grinder is set.
Yes. In our BB005 timer dosed, we have 2 wheels. This wheel is to regulate the grinding coarseness, and this wheel is to regulate the timing of the grinding. Okay. Yeah. Once you regulate the grinding coarseness, after you can act on the timer wheel to set up the let's say the correct grinding time for your dose of coffee. We will try to make a good espresso.
You can try. Super cool. Wow.
By pushing the button, we activate the grinding according to the preset time that we set with the timer wheel.
Yeah, nice. In the meantime, I was just looking for our SpongeBob.
Okay, we press with the famous 20 kilo.
Now we have a choice. Which should we perform now? I think espresso and cappuccino.
1 espresso, 1 cappuccino, okay.
Because very important for Italians, okay, cappuccino is only until 12 o'clock.
It's late.
So we are still in time, okay? Big one, small one, what do you think?
A small one. Okay, now we select our brewing, and you see the extraction.
Here is good. Here also runs out water from
the pump, because all the vibration pump push at 15 bar. So according to the setting of the OPV, the difference in between the 9 bar and the 15 bar is discharged by this pipe.
So in case crema looks nice, I don't try yet because I still do something. And before I steam, I always remove the condensed water, okay?
Of course.
And so I try.
Also in terms of steaming capacity, our machine of this range have a 2-liter boiler that allow to have a very good steaming capacity. The boiler are in copper. Copper is the best material to keep the heat and to keep a stable thermic of the machine. Besides that, is one of the healthiest metal in contact with food.
Cool.
The important thing is not to put acid into the hydraulic circuit because you can damage the hydraulic circuit. We recommend the scaling to be done by a professional and done with ultrasonic machine. Wow.
Yeah, and a cappuccino, so I can try now.
So, salute.
Yeah, salute Luca, and wow, it's really cool to have such a new entry-level machine with both main water and a tank.
Yes, it's an entry-level machine, but it's flexible. You can adjust the pressure, you can have double water connection. You have some option that can be very useful in an entry-level machine.
Also, for me, importance has also the aesthetic point of view. And so what I like especially is the return to the old logo.
We returned to the old logo. We started with Sole, and we just use, even if it's an entry-level model, we just use Super Mirror 304 stainless steel.
Yeah.
It's the most precious stainless steel you can use for a coffee machine. So that's why the machine is so bright in front. So entry-level machine, but with top quality components.
Also, thermostability for steaming is really good. So like this, I really like it. Cool. So I think in the next level we unpack the other luces.
Okay, let's see the packaging and the pertinence of the machine, and we make an unboxing of our.
Yeah, this will be part number 2. Okay, cool.
Ciao,
yeah,
Marcus.
ciao.
Cool.